Hello students, today we will do the next chapter, chapter 9, the articles. Okay, see, read the conversation between Sunil and his grandmother, fill the missing words in the blanks. Grandmother, Sunil, please bring dash a pen for me, a pen for me. Okay, Sunil, here it is, Granny. Grandmother, no dear, not this one. Bring the pen that is on my table. Sunil, what's so special about that pen? Grandmother, it's an old fountain pen. Your grandfather gifted it to me 20 years ago. Did you fill in the words A, N and the in the above sentence? Yes, we have fill up the blank. The first one is A, second one will be the and third is N. Okay, let's see. Learning windows. The word A, N and the are called articles. What is article? The word A and the are called articles. Okay, they are used immediately before noun. These articles A and the are used immediately before the noun. Whenever there is a noun, before the noun, these three articles, in these three articles will be filled up. Okay, like A or N or the. Okay, now see, there are two types of articles. How many types of articles are there? Indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay, now see, indefinite articles A and the. A and N. Okay, indefinite articles are A and N. Okay, see, A and N are called the indefinite articles because they usually refers to any person or thing. Okay, this A and N are usually refers to the usually refers to any person or thing. Okay, see, we use A or N when we are talking about something that is common and not specific. Okay, see the example. I am going to visit a doctor. Okay, A is used because here you don't know which doctor you are going to visit. Okay, that's why A is used. Can I have an umbrella, please? Can I have an umbrella? Which umbrella? I don't know which umbrella. There are many umbrellas. That's why we have used N. Okay. Do you have a phone? A. Do you have a phone? You have any kind of a phone you have. That's why A is used. In the above sentence, A and N are used before common noun. Before common noun, A and N is used. Okay, like doctor, umbrella, phone. Doctor means you don't know which doctor is there. Female doctor is there or male doctor is there. Umbrella, you don't know which size, what type of size the umbrella is. Big umbrella, small umbrella. Okay, which phone? You don't know. It can be Samsung, it can be Nokia, or it can be Redmi. Any kind of phone is there. Okay, that's why it is a common noun. A and N is used. Okay, now see next. Rules for using A and N. Now there is some rules where you will use A and N. Okay, A and N are used before singular countable noun. A and N are used before singular countable noun. Which the nouns which can be counted and it will be the singular. Okay, it will be a singular and it can be counted. That time we will use A and N. See the example. A box. Box is a singular. And ice cream. Ice cream is also a singular. A girl. Girl is also a singular. Okay. Now see. We cannot use A and N before plural noun because A and N means one or single thing, person, object, it is same. Okay. We cannot use A and N before the plural noun because A and N means only one or a single thing, person or object. Okay, means A means a single person, and also is used for a single person, thing, or an object. A and N. Okay, see the first example. There are horses in the field. See, there are horses in the field. See, horses is the plural, that's why we have not used A or N. Okay, there are horses in the field. See the next example. There are a horses. A means a singular, but here is a horses is plural, so this sentence is wrong. Okay, now see. We use a before the word beginnings with a consonant sound. Okay, where we use A when there is a consonant. You know, na? Consonant. What are the consonants? Okay, see, a book, a woman, a fly, a cat. Okay, so A is used before the consonant sound. Okay, we use an and before the words that begin with a vowel sound. Vowel, you know, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. This is the vowel. Okay, these words in the sentence, in the words, if any of this alphabets is used, that means it is a vowel, and that time N will be used. See here, an apple. A is a vowel, so that's why N is used. An egg, E is also a vowel, that's why N is used. An ink pot, I is also a vowel, that's why N is used. An orange, O is also a vowel, that's why N is used. Umbrella, U is also vowel, that's why N is used. Okay, now see, definite article. What are definite articles? The is called a definite article as it refers to a particular person or a thing. Okay, the is used when you know that particular person or a thing, means it is a specific, it is indicating a particular that person or a thing. That time the is used. Okay, when we will use the, when we know this is the particular, this is the specific, that person we are indicating or the thing, is that time we use the, and it is called a definite article. Okay, now see rules for using the. We use A or N when we refer to a noun for the first time. We use the when we refer to that noun the second time. First time in the sentence, first time we will use A or N, but in the second sentence when it is indicating the same thing, that time we will use the. Okay, the. See the example. Atul gave a pen to Mohini. This is the first sentence, that's why we are using A. Atul gave a pen to Mohini. Now see, the pen was yellow in color. Here already pen is used, that means we know that particular pen, that's why we have used the. The pen was yellow in color. Okay, now see, we use the to refer to a noun that we know that the listeners know. Okay, when we use the, when we know that the listener person, that person who is listening, know that it is that particular that thing, that time we use the. See, the mangoes that you brought yesterday was delicious, means I know that second person knows that the mangoes which he has brought was delicious, that time that particular mango, that's why the is used. Now see, did you put away the document safely, means you know that documents, particular that documents, that's why the is used. Now see the next. We use the when we refer to a thing that are unique. Okay, when we use the, that means that is unique, there is no, that is unique, there is no other any, the same thing is not there in the world. Okay, the earth is the only there, the earth is only in this world, there is no other earth. The year is also a single. The sky is also a unique universe. Okay, the moon is also a unique, it isn't one. See, next see, we use the before certain proper nouns. Certain means certain particular proper noun, not all the things. The name of the mountain ranges. When we use the mountain range, when there is a mountain, the names of that ranges, that time we use the. See the example, the Alps. The Alps is a single mountain. The Andes. Okay, the is used. The Himalaya is also a mountain range and it is a single. The name of a river, seas and ocean. See the example, the Nile, the Mediterranean and the Indian Ocean. The is used. Okay, the name of the famous buildings and monuments. The Red Fort is also a single, the unique. The White House is also a single and a unique. Okay? The United Nation is also a unique. The names of a place ending in plural. The names of a country in which if the name contains a common noun. See, here the words is ending with an S. That time we will use the. Okay, and it is the name of that country. Okay, that time we will use the. It's like see, the Netherlands. That's why we are using the. The United States. It is the. Okay, we are using the. We use the with an adjective in the superlative degree. When there will be superlative degree, that time we use the. See example, my sister is the best. Best is the superlative of what? Good. That's why the is used. Gaurav is the tallest boy in our class. Tallest is the superlative of, it is an tall. So, the is used. Okay. Now see. Using no articles. We don't know. We don't use any articles in some sentence. We don't use any articles. A, an or the. Okay. We don't use the. With an abstract noun. Used generally in general way. See the example. Honesty is the best policy. See here is the. Before the noun we don't use anything. See, honesty is the best policy. Truthfulness is always appreciated. See, here also we have not used any articles. Okay? Now see next. See next. Before the names of a people and a place, we don't use any articles. Before the name of a person or a place. See, Ankit is studying in the library. Ankit is the name of that person. That's why we have used no articles here. Okay, now see, India is a country of diversity. So, India is the name of the place. That's why we have used no articles here. Now see next. Before uncountable nouns like sugar and wheat. So, when there will be uncountable nouns, that time also we don't use articles. Okay, which uncountable nouns means which can be counted. That too much sugar. Sugar we can count? No, we can't count the sugar. That's why we have used here no articles. Too much sugar is bad for health. Okay. Next. Wheat is the staple food of the people of Punjab. See, wheat is also the food. You can't count the wheat. So, that's why here we have used no articles. Okay. Now see. Before plural countable noun that refers to the entire class. That time also we don't use any articles. Okay, which can be counted. But that time this is telling about the whole thing. That time also we don't use any articles. See the example. Children are playing in the park. There are many children. So we don't use any. Children can be counted. But here then also we are not using any articles. Tigers will soon become extinct. Tigers is also we can count the tigers. But see here we are not using any articles. Okay. Now see. Before the names of most mountains. Before the names of the most mountains we don't use any article. Like Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Mount Everest. Okay, Mount Everest is the name of a mountain. That's why we are not using any articles. before common noun when they are used in pairs. When common nouns which are used in a pairs, that time we don't use any articles. Like see the example, both husband and wife are working in this company. See here, this is the common noun. It is in a pair, husband and wife. So it is. So here we are not using any articles. Now see the name. Before the names of and relations like father, mother, aunt or uncle, we don't use any type of articles. Okay, see, my mother has gone to the market, means my mother. We use a mother, no. An mother, no. The mother, no. My mother has gone to the market. So we have not used any articles. Okay, now see the workout. Tick the correct articles in this sentence. Now we have to see. We share a and the delicious bowl of vegetable soup. The delicious. We know that vegetable soup. Pratap is an officer. O is what? Is an vowel. That's why an is used. Officer in the Mumbai Police Department. Sachin Tendulkar is a and the role model for many people. Sachin Tendulkar is a single. That's why A is used. Agra is home to A and the Taj Mahal. Agra is home to the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal is unique. That's why the Taj Mahal. Please deliver the package to and the principal office. The principal is that particular principal. Okay. Mother picked A and the paper as soon as they were whipped. A. The answer is A. A is used, not this one. Okay. The mother picked up papers as soon as they whipped. Okay. Now try to do it yourself. This one. Okay. Thank you.